What's up, guys? It's your boy Catloco. And for a few months now, I've been, looking at these tool hauls. I mean, some of them have been good. They were really good last year. But this year, I don't think you guys are getting, what you deserved. I haven't done a tool haul in a few months. And I think it's about time you guys get what you deserve. Let's go. So a few weeks ago, really months ago, I was at the junkyard and I was trying to cut a roof off a car. And I was trying to use my old Porter cable Sawzall. The only problem with this is the old NiCad version. And I would go through 3 NiCad batteries and that would last me like 15 minutes cutting through the roof. So what I did was I picked up the new Ryobi brushless Sawzall. This is the ONE Plus version, 18 volts. Now this thing, I'm really hoping this does the job. And to go along with this saw, I went ahead and picked up 2 lithium 5 amp batteries. Now these aren't Ryobi. Ryobi wanted like $100 for 2 5 amp batteries. So I paid $32 for each. I think one of them I paid 30 bucks. And then I also got the charger for it. So I got 2 batteries and a charger for what? The same price as just 2 batteries. So, a little under $100. I got me a charger and 2 5 amp hour batteries. So, I mean, you can't beat that price, $32 for a 5 amp battery. So if we go ahead and look at the Sawzall, this is the newer P517 model. I already opened the box, but I haven't actually seen it myself. Take out the wrapping. So the main reason I got this, this had the anti-vibration feature, and when you're like cutting thick pieces of metal, you really want that, else you're just like, you know what I mean? So the power and the weight, it feels pretty good. It has a nice little grip. I think I'll do pretty well with this in the junkyard mainly. I'll use it for wood and stuff too, but I mainly got it for cutting metal, like sunroofs, for the Caprice hopefully. But yeah, I was gonna go with Milwaukee, but the price is a little more and the specs were pretty much identical to the Milwaukee version of this. So yeah, that was the first item, and I guess the third and fourth item I picked up. So the Sawzall I got from Home Depot. The 2 batteries and a charger I got from Amazon. So the next item is a Ryobi Jigsaw. This is model P5231, I believe. Yep. So the main reason I like this one, feel really good in the hand. I like the rubber grip. Now I've never used Ryobi. This will be my first set of Ryobi tools. So I'm taking, a chance on Ryobi. They seem like they're quality to me so far. I'll let you know once I use it. The main reason I bought this is mainly for car audio. If you're doing like speaker rings, subwoofer boxes, even fiberglass work, I wanted a Jigsaw. And you can use it for other applications, but mainly it's going to be cutting MDF for me. That's why I picked. So the next item I picked up, I also picked up a Ryobi ONE Plus P411. All these tools are the ONE Plus line. So this is going to be more for sanding wood, maybe some body work. I just gotta see how it does, the battery does. I'll probably get a corded version or air sander. But this is the new P411 sander. I think this is about 40 bucks. I'll have to look up the prices on the other things I bought. But in the box, I guess you get the little filter. You get the sander with the Velcro on the back, on the pad. The hand grip is kind of wide, but I mean, I think it's in the right place for me. Then the battery sits right here. So basically you're like this, you know? So, has a lot of torque, I'll tell you that. That's pretty good. So I'm gonna really like this, I think. Even though it's kind of like an awkward shape. I believe you can also attach a vacuum line to this. Or you can just use this little bag filter they got going on. But yeah, I got this mainly for sanding, fiberglass, maybe some body work, small body work. So I want to try this out. I like the Ryobi ONE+ stuff. I was interested in it. So this is the P411. Now I will do a review on these items once I've used them. I really don't want to go too deep. This is just a haul. Looked like it came with some sanding pads also. But yeah, so that's 3 ONE+ tools I got so far from my Ryobi. And the next tool that I got is another ONE+. This is the Ryobi, if I can get out the light, the glare, angle grinder. Now this is 18 volt brushless. Comes with the guard. Comes with a few, looks like a grinding disc, manual. So yet again, between this and the Sawzall, this is really for grinding, cutting metal for me. This is going to be more of a cutter, just because of the long handle, whereas like the Harbor Freight one is short. Zoe brought that up on one of his vids. So I wanted something with a longer handle. Now this isn't as long as say the corded version, so if this doesn't work out, I probably will buy the corded Ryobi or some other brand. But the only thing I don't like about this, and I gave it a chance, is the power button here instead of being the trigger. And the corded version has the trigger. So once I use it, I'll let you know how I feel about it. But this is the new Ryobi angle grinder, so I can get the model number. This one is model P423, and I believe this is the newest one. Okay, yeah, it also comes with the handle. I was looking for the handle. And what I like about this is you can put the handle on the side and also at the top. And if you're, you know, left-handed, you can put it on the other side too. So you have like 3 positions of where you're going to hold it. I really like that. And it feels like quality. Yet again, the grip doesn't feel like it's going to slip out my hand. But I mean, time will tell. And it has like a quick release blade option, I guess, to lock it and change the blade. But yeah, so I picked up 4 ONE+ tools to test out from Ryobi. The majority of these I got from Home Depot. The Jigsaw I got from Amazon, and I think that's it besides the batteries and the charger. So if you guys watch my videos, you know that's not all. Wait for the next thing. Yeah, so that was a good little warm up. So next up, we got model P305. This is the 18 volt hot glue gun, Ryobi ONE+. So along with the whole fabrication, fiberglass, car audio, I wanted a glue gun. I just had like a little cheap one, and I like this one because you can attach the battery on the base and actually, you know, stand up. So this got a pretty good review. This tip isn't supposed to leak, so that's the main reason why I bought it, and it was pretty cheap. I think it was only like $25 for this thing. So we gotta give it a shot, see how Ryobi does. So yeah, that's the hot glue gun from Ryobi. So the next item is actually a workshop blower. This is 18 volt Ryobi ONE Plus blower. Now this is just a little compact blower just to blow around the shop, model P755. I want to pick this up because I was curious about it. I actually saw a Milwaukee one on clearance. I didn't get it. So it didn't make any sense to me getting a Milwaukee since I didn't own any M18 at the time. So I went ahead and picked up this blower just for little stuff around the house, blowing off the deck. When I start cutting wood, you know, just blowing away the sawdust. So that's the main reason I bought this. Test out this little blower. So if we take a look at this real quick, I'll go ahead and open it up. Got the nozzle. And it's pretty small. I mean, it's pretty tiny. Nice little blower. It comes with a rubber hose. It's not a hard case hose. It's actually flexible rubber, so you don't scratch up anything you're working on. It's kind of nice. But yeah, just a little blower. But we're not quite done yet. There's more. So for the longest time, I've always had like this itty bitty air compressor. Yeah, you. So it's time for change. So the next item up, I bought that. This is the new Husky 60-gallon air compressor. You have 11.5 at 90, 13.4 at 40 psi. Now, with this thing, you should be able to inflate, finish nailing, framing, roofing, hobby painting, HVLP, which what I really need for, bolting, cutting, drilling, surface prep. So this price I paid $4.99 for it, and this is what I needed to paint my cars. I really need this thing bad, and it's been about 8 years that I've been trying to get one. And I also added a 240 outlet right there for it. So things about to change. Cars about to get painted. A lot of big things with this air compressor. I still gotta do all the plumbing. I gotta wire it, but I'll show you the next item that I got. So that was the big thing, is the air compressor. So to go along with the air compressor, I went to Home Depot looking for a plug for it, and they actually make this is a 230 volt plug that you can wire straight into your air compressor. Now, they were sold out at Home Depot, so I actually found this on Amazon. This is part number, you can see, 0260187 RP, made by PowerMate. So I got this. Looks like it's a 3-wire connection with your 240, 230, 220 connection. Just a 3-prong 230. So I got this to wire my compressor. I also got the rubber insulators. I got 4 of those because right now it's sitting on the pallet that you get. And this is model 094013 RP, also PowerMate. Let me see that number. So yeah, I'll be installing this soon. I need to get some bolts and then drill in the floor to anchor this thing down, and then use these rubber insulators. So that's what I got. I got the wiring, I got the rubber insulating feet for it, and then for safety, you know, these are like $3 on clearance, and 3M safety glasses. These were originally, I think, $15 at Home Depot, so $3 on the clearance aisle. I picked it up too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm a little rusty doing tool hauls, so just give me a minute. But yeah, there it is. You know, this is the big haul that you guys probably been missing from me. But Anyway, let me know what your thoughts. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. Peace.